In this video, I'll show you how to create these interactive service boxes for your website using Divi 5. Please note, Divi 5 is still in its alpha phase, so this tutorial is more of a showcase of what's possible with the new interaction features rather than a production-ready workflow. Each column features a background image with a title at the bottom. When you hover over it, an image, a text box, and a button slide in from below, adding a smooth, modern hover effect. We'll build this using Divi 5's new interaction features, along with a bit of custom CSS for the animation. I've already created this layout for you, so you can simply import it and customize it to your needs. Here's what we'll cover: how to download and import the layout, how to edit images and content, how the hover interaction is set up in Divi 5. Let's get started. First, go to my website and download the layout. You can find the link in the description. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, creating a free account takes just a minute. Once logged in, click the Free Membership button. Inside, you'll find all my free resources. Just scroll down until you see the interactive box layout and click to download. After downloading, unzip the folder. You'll find a JSON file inside. This is the layout we'll import into Divi. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Divi Library. Click Import and Export and upload the JSON file you just downloaded. Now, open the page where you want to use this layout. Enable the Theme Builder, then click the blue plus icon to add a new section. Switch to the Add from Library tab and choose the layout titled Interactive Boxes. To make the layout your own, let's change the images and text. Start with the background image. Open the row, then select a column, look around Settings, and switch to the Image tab. Replace the placeholder with your own image. I used 600 by 800 pixels. Repeat the same for the other columns. For the hover content, switch to wireframe view if needed. Open the image module inside the group that appears on hover. Replace the placeholder. I used 500 by 281 pixels. You can then customize the heading, text, and button modules inside that group. In wireframe view, you'll see a code module containing the custom CSS. If you prefer to keep things tidy, copy the CSS from between the style tags. Go to Divi, Theme Options, Custom CSS. Paste the code there, and then delete the code module from the layout. Let's take a quick look at how the hover interaction works in Divi 5. Open a column and go to the Advanced tab. Under Interactions, I've added two actions. One for when the mouse hovers in, one for when it hovers out. For the hover in, trigger, mouse over the column. Action, add attribute. Target, the group module, which includes the image, text, and button. Attribute name, class, attribute value, CB show. This adds the class CB show to the group module, making it visible. For the hover out, same setup, but it removes the CB show class when you move the mouse away. The custom CSS uses this class to trigger the slide-in animation. In future updates of Divi 5, we may not need CSS for effects like this, but for now it gives us precise control. And that's it! You've now created a clean, interactive service box layout in Divi 5 with a modern hover effect. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my website for more free layouts and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.